And there we go, it's open. Nothing special, just a little bit different. This is a slider lock from OnGuard. I don't know the model, and I'm not going to be disassembling this lock. It's not actually mine, but you can see we still have the original roll pin in there, and it is picked. These locks are not bad locks. They're not great locks either. There are no false gates to these sliders, so really they're either in the right position or they're in the wrong position. All I really use to pick these is the heavy bar from Sparrows and a custom hook that I really like for anything that has to be lifted a little bit differently like that. This pick I also use to pick the ASA Twin 6000 sidebar, so it's a good all-around pick. It might be a little rough. Really, I just wanted to get a video up so you guys know I'm still out here. Thanks for watching.